A new laundry system in Troy's dormitories is causing mixed reactions, with some saying it's for the best, while others say improvements need to be made. Joseph White has more.
Over winter break, Troy University's housing office created a new way for students to pay for their laundry with the use of an app. The app, also known as One Tap Away, is a new system which has implemented since the start of the spring semester, and apparently was a change that was supposed to happen before COVID.
We're actually behind. The laundry company was very nice. We were actually supposed to have this change before COVID, but they let us have it for an additional several years.
Now, this new system has made things more optimal across all the dormitories on campus, but for some students, now doing laundry has become more of a chore. An early issue with the new system was due to accessibility issues. Students who did not have smartphones were not able to use the app, but this issue has been addressed.
We did have some concerns because not all of our students have a cell phone. Some also have the flip phones. So what the company did is they actually gave us a kiosk at their expense. The university did not have to purchase the kiosk, but it allows students to use a debit or credit card.
However, some issues remained.
It will not work. It'll say that a machine is taken, and I look and it's not taken, and I'll be like, oh, okay, or like vice versa.
Even with the issues, Foster says the housing office hasn't received any formal complaints regarding the machines. Whether or not students agree, Foster says they will need to be open to change because more change is coming.
At the end of 2027 is when they were going to be replacing machines. Now the price may go up because Troy, we are one of the few schools that are $1.50. The other schools for the company are at least $1.75 or more. So at some point, I'm sure the price will go up.
Joseph White, Troy, TrojanVision News.
The last time Troy's housing office made a big change to its laundry system was back in 2015 when the university created a new system that allowed you to pay with your phone rather than quarters.